Hi, my name is Seth Price and I'm the project manager for Aurora Industries. These are our drones for this week and we will be working, hey, come, eyes up here, okay?
Okay, sorry.
I'll bring this up here, okay? This is our storage container and we will be using it for our Martian base. This will be a more practical way to deliver papers and other secured documents that we need to have in person. It can also help us with word of mouth stuff because if we need to go 5 miles for something and we don't really have Wi-Fi there or any kind of digital transmission of short distance communications and all that. So we can use this to deliver things like blueprints and all of that to our design team and our base. Right here is the front of the cargo hold, and it has a drawer, and this whole thing is 3D printed using our design team's expertise, and this will be used a ton and it will be very helpful on our research base.
I'm Quilton, and I'm the information analyst for Aurora Industries. Our drone this week will allow us to, our project manager, to put blueprints in it and transport it to the design team. And this allows Seth, our project manager, to put the next week's blueprints in this drone and send it to our design team in a more efficient manner than having someone take it down there. And also allows us to have written blueprints instead of just word of mouth. Also, it's safer because the drone can do it without losing the blueprints or falling subject to Russian spies, which are prominent here on Mars. And just overall, this will be a very key aspect of us researching the ice caps here on Mars. Hey guys, it's Cole at Aurora Industries, and our drone uses block code, which is very simple and can be used for many different tasks. Now in this specific case, it's using a straight line just to deliver papers to our coworker. But this drone can be used for advanced routes, like from our project manager Seth's office to around the facility to our offices and design team. And this could also be used for other types of cargo in the future, like navigating ice caves from mining offices or of the sorts to mining operations. This simple yet so advanced code will allow us to input a variety of routes so that the drone can perform tasks that are not necessarily required for a human.
Hi, this is a blueprint for a project that we'll be working on next week. I'm going to be sending it to one of my design team members and we will be using the cargo hold in our drone to deliver it.
Oh my gosh, what do we have here? I think a note. A note? It must be from our boss. Let's see here. Oh, that makes sense. This drone is so helpful.
So since the 3D printed object that we attach to our drone is within the 80-gram threshold, it's slightly lighter, so that means that the drone would have to work in overtime on the back rotors to go forward or on the front rotors to go backwards and vice versa. So when we designed our 3D printed objects, we made it just below the 80-gram threshold, so then the drone doesn't have to work in even more stress and dilute the battery down even more in power.
Hi, my name is Justin Belargin. I'm the lead coder and a design team member for Aurora Industries. And this is our 3D print that we made. So it took about a couple days for us in order to find the file that we wanted to use, export it onto a 3D modeling software, and then upload it to our printer. And we ended up printing it within those couple of days. We set our infill to 15%. To make sure that it is light enough for the drone to be able to carry, and as well as maintaining its stability so that when it hits the ground, it will not destroy itself.
Hello, I'm Jacob Hamilton. I'm the media designer for Aurora Industries, and I'll be talking about the difficulties and how we solve them. So we had a lot of difficulties with the weight issue, and not necessarily that we didn't get it done, we did prevail, but the 3D printed model just being under that threshold caused a lot of stability issues. So launching off takeoff, it was a bit wavy. It still was able to do it. It was a bit, we needed to give it more room so it didn't crash into anything. And then there was the issues of battery conservation. With that weight and the rotors working overtime, we could visibly see on the coding platform the percentage draining down a percentage, almost like 10 seconds. So our battery life was limited to about 15 minutes. But other than that, we solved everything. We got the movements done. We managed to do a flip, which shows us how we could just get past any problems with this design. But yeah, in the end, it was great.
Hi, I'm Willem, the Safety and Security Officer for Aurora Industries. Today's portion with me in it is it's a little bit different than our past portions about safety regulations and the drone itself. This area of conversation includes the security and the privacy of our company as a whole. The information within this piece of paper is crucial to the success of the company, and it involves secrets and tactics we plan to use in the near future. And if anything were to happen to this paper, it would be devastating. So when the carrier module is attached to the drone, it will be able to be inserted into the compartment.
I've got one of the most important documents that you will ever see. Okay?
God.
It is imperative that this gets to our design team. Okay?
It should stay in the drone. Fall in. Come back here.